Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use investing.com economic calendar. To do so, first of all, just go onto investing.com app. After you go on to investing.com app, you can see that you will be on the coins page. From here, just go on to the more option right here on the bottom right side of your screen. After going on to more, you can see a option for ICO calendar. If you go onto it, you can see all the ongoing, upcoming and completed tasks or different kind of ongoing charity events that are happening around you. Now, to complete the setting for the calendar, you can just see these three options right here on the top right side of the screen, where you can search for different kind of events ongoing or that have completed or even upcoming events. You can sort them by all or custom, like gaming, finance, e-commerce and etc. And you can also sort them by their names or how fast they end, or all the completed, or even by their names. And now this is just a really easy process on how you can see ICO calendar or economic calendar on your investing.com. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.